When you switch on a bulb, it glows instantly. But have you ever wondered what actually happens inside the wire at that moment? Are electrons running like tiny balls? Or is something else happening? Today, let's go inside the wire, in 3D. Right now, the switch is open. The circuit is incomplete. Even though the battery has energy, electrons cannot move. So the bulb remains OFF. Now, let's close the switch. The moment the circuit becomes complete, an electric field is established across the wire. And electrons start moving from the negative terminal towards the positive terminal. These blue dots represent electrons. They do not move at the speed of light. In fact, their actual drift speed is very slow. But the electric signal travels almost instantly. That is why the bulb glows immediately. The movement of electrons is called electric current. In reality, electrons move from negative to positive. But in textbooks, conventional current is shown from positive to negative. That's just a historical convention. If you want to deeply understand machines, electronics, or any technical concept through 3D visualization, then join this journey and subscribe to the channel.